Alright? So you okay. I just go with big, I get it all. So in the column A, B, C, D, right? So in this way is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Big deal. So A, B, C. Right. So in column A, let's follow your left menu. All right. Everybody on this page? Page 7. All right. Everybody. So column A, they put x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes? What does x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mean? X stand for x-axis. Yes?
Yes.
What is our x-axis, dear students?
Concentration.
Concentration. Good. What is our concentration of yesterday of your own 10 standards? Let me repeat. Do you know of your 10 different concentrations of your 10 standards?
To get all that data from you.
Do you know?
You have to get all that data from you.
How do you know? What are they? Who answered yes? Alright, let me give you the answer. The answer is yes, you do. But you need to do a little math. A little math. The math is you multiply each of these 10 numbers to your concentration labeled on the bottom. Remember I asked you to copy that down? If you forgot, it is still out there. Alright, so let me see if you copy it down. You
I
copy
did
down?
not copy on the concentration on the bottom.
Oh.
It will be in that.
So
It
you
will
copy.
be a reference, right?
So you did not. Who's your pilot?
Yeah, we don't have the concentration.
Who's your pilot?
I mean, I don't have the concentration.
That was my job.
Okay, yes, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
That was my.
Okay, why don't you go outside and take a look?
Where is it? All right, it's 1
Okay, all right. 1 times 10 to minus 3.
Yes.
Okay.
You want the unknown also?
No, unknown is unknown.
What times 10 to the minus 3?
The concentration of our original.
I asked only 10 minutes, all right? I promise. Okay, so please bear with me 1 minute. And then I shut up, okay? All right, so it is for number 1, right? Are you number 1? Okay, for number 1 only, all right? If you are not number 1, so for number 1 is 1 times 10 to minus 3 concentration. But you would multiply that 1 times 10 to minus 3 to each of these 10. That will be your concentration. So let me just do 1 or 2 or 5, all right? So concentration, I label it, all right? So that, and then this side is atomic. Okay, so your concentration is 1. How you do 1 to the minus 3?
1
E, all right? Last semester or the first 5 weeks, student come back and I knew it from experience. So you say E. 1 E, do not capital E, small letter e, to minus 3 times, times what? 0.01. Enter. Oops, that's wrong. See,
Probably the other
You have to
foot.
do the asterisk.
I have to do the equal. Is that right? Yes.
Right? Oh, there you go.
Got me? Everybody see that? So the next one, I will do the equal 1e minus 3, yes? Multiply on 0.009. Once I'm on the spotlight, of course I get panic, right? Are we okay? Everyone follow? How do I get the concentration? So you multiply each of these numbers by your concentration written on the bottle, yes? Minus 3, and then multiply by 0.008. And on and on. Now, I'm not going to do that all day long, okay? So it is your job. So you have 10, you got 10, all right? So now I copy your absorbent. So in the y-axis, B column is for your y-axis. So please put the x-axis quantity first in your column A. That's Bill Gates. Put your y-axis quantity in column B. Every time student just somehow giving me all funny switch and on. Have that in mind, please. So B column is for y-axis. So it's your absorbance. I'm using a Wiki's data, right? So number 1 is 0.831, and then 0.879, and then 0.669. All right? And you keep doing it. Everybody? All right. So once you've done all the 10, okay, then you're going to highlight all your 10. Right now I only have 3, right? So you highlight your 3, and then you go to this this icon. Now again, this is old, 2003. If you have newer, then it look different. I know how to use that one too, but I like this old one better, but that's okay. So you go to chart, right? Everybody see that?
Sorry?
Chart, this guy. Then you go to XY scatter. Under XY scatter, you still have 5 choices. Pick this guy. Pick, I don't know how you call it, nothing. And
Are you gonna go to your car?
pick this guy. Again, every time student, if you don't pick this guy, it will be something funny or wrong. And then I know you will come back.
Doesn't look empty.
I call it empty, nothing. I mean, just take the data off. That mean? Whatever you call, all right? Pick this guy. Pick. Then you say next, and then next, and next. Of course, you have to label and all that, but I just quick and easy. But before that, you can label the x and y axis. Do you want me to do it one more time? Scatter. Next. Now at this point in time, you can put your title. My title is something. But again, student always put the title is what? Absorbance versus concentration. I say that's not your title. title should be a little capture of what you've done. Then what's my title? Student ask me, how should I write my title? I say, oh my Lord, we are college, we're still learning how to write title. What should we write for this example? We would say analysis of blah blah blah, or you can study of blah blah blah, or you can say, oh, what's our title of our experiment? I think I put that. There you go. You can say absorbance spectroscopy of your food coloring. Class 3, say that. Because absorbance versus time, that means nothing. I don't know what you are doing. How would I know what color, what and what? That means that would be your title. What color you are talking about. Are we okay? Yeah? Alright, so that's your title. And then your X and Y, you can label it in here. But I just for fast, I skip. Okay, but you can always go back. You guys